If you want to know how to set up email triggers for specific user actions quickly and without the fluff, this is the guide you've been searching for. Stick with me, because I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to automate emails based on user behavior in just a few minutes. Plus, I'll share access to an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, available only through my channel. Let's jump in. Start by logging into the software we'll be using. Link to the free trial is in the description. Once inside, go to your automation or workflow section. The interface may vary slightly depending on the platform, but the process is the same across most tools. Now click Create New Automation or Workflow. You'll typically be prompted to choose a trigger. That's the specific user action that will kick off the email. Examples include user signs up, clicks a link, downloads a file, abandons a cart, or reaches a specific milestone in your app or site. Select the trigger that makes sense for your case. For example, if someone signs up for your service, choose User Signs Up as your starting trigger. Next, define the conditions. This is where you narrow things down. Maybe you only want to email users who sign up but haven't completed their profile within 24 hours. You'd add that condition right here. You can stack multiple conditions if needed to get super specific. Now choose your action. This will be Send Email. The software will prompt you to either create a new email or select a pre-written one. Write something personal, relevant to the trigger, and always include a call to action. Here's a quick pro tip. Use dynamic tags like the user's first name or recent behavior to personalize the message. This drastically increases open and click-through rates. Once the email is ready, save the automation and test it. Most platforms let you run a test using a fake user or your own account so you can see exactly how it plays out. After you're happy with the setup, activate the workflow. From now on, every time the specific user action you defined happens, the email will be triggered automatically. We've just walked through how to set up email triggers for specific user actions in just a few minutes. And remember, we only scratched the surface. There's a lot more you can do once you master this. That's why I highly recommend using the exclusive free trial linked below to follow along and build your own workflows today. The key takeaway? Automating email based on user behavior isn't just smart. It's essential if you want better engagement and conversions without extra work. To recap, choose your trigger, define your conditions, create your email, test it, and activate. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to check the description and grab your exclusive free trial to the software we used. Only viewers from Dan Thorne's channel get access to this deal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.